Okay, I want this to be proof, I think some sort of a proof, that the upper bound of the central ghost number, in this case 13, going into the interior, all the added up interior numbers is 42. The proportion is 42. All these added up, I did the calculations for this one. 13 going into 546 is 42, and that includes the outer ghost numbers. The outer red ghost numbers, 8 of them, 39. And you can do this for yourself. The upper bound for the outer ghost number, outer cube, what I mean by that is the outer primary numbers and the outer secondary numbers. They're not included in all this. Everything else is included except for these. The upper bound for that on any ghost number, magic ghost number cube, is 52. 13 goes into 676 52 times. If you don't believe me, these are just a random sample. I just put random primary numbers around it and did the calculations. This is another one. This has a separate magic or central ghost number with all separate inner and outer ghost numbers. The interior cube adds up to 630. 15 goes into 630 42 times. Including the outer primary and secondary numbers adds up to 780. 15 goes into 780 52 times. Same as this one, and they're both chosen at random. And just to make sure this wasn't a fluke, I rechecked these ones I drew by hand yesterday. These are a bunch of calculations. I don't expect you to follow along with them. I wouldn't be able to. But for this magic ghost number cube, which is a typical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is 882. 21 goes into 882 is the interior cube 42 times. 21 goes into 1092 52 times. That includes the primary and secondary numbers. And for this is another, these are the calculations. 11 central ghost number goes into the interior numbers. 462 42 times, and goes into the combined outer ghost number, or outer numbers, 572 altogether for the whole complete cube 52 times. And this implies that any sort of magic ghost number cube, or any type of basic magic ghost number cube at least, can't go over the bound of a proportion of the central ghost number going into the complete cube 52 times for the outer and inner cube, and 42 times for the inner cube alone. And that has, I don't know, but that just amazes me that you can pick out any numbers whatsoever, and if you do the calculations right, you'll find these proportions, 42 and 52. And I'm sure if you added another outer cube to it, it would increase by the same amount, or by a certain amount, all magic ghost number cubes. So there's an upper bound that all magic ghost number cubes share when you fractalize it. And this is what I'm doing. I'm fractalizing. What I mean by that is that I'm counting all the numbers like I would do on a typical fractal central ghost number cube. So, thank you. Bye.